to show how ill-equipped I am. I just have my book. I don't even have a bag. My camera carrier. And I'm wearing flip-flops. This is pretty intense.
Por favor, quem tiver bagagem, leva aqui à esquerda.
Okay, so I'm in the middle of this whole island. That's a terrible way to start a story. I'm in the middle of a whole island alone. It's just a trail. I feel really alone though, like nobody's here. It's a little steep. I'm just gonna keep following the red signs. Kind of insane. Like it's here for a reason. It has to be here for a reason. So, I don't know. I think that means this way. I go down that way, right? To show how ill-equipped I am, I just have my book. I don't even have a bag. My camera carrier. And I'm wearing flip-flops. This is pretty intense. These little signs keep saying never give up. Oh, and there's stairs. So I can't be alone. I can't be alone. It keeps saying never give up. So I'm not gonna give up. Oh! I think it made it to the highest point because now I'm starting to go down. It wasn't too bad. I don't know if you can see how steep this is. There's a rope, which is very helpful, along with these stairs, because it's so steep. On your way up, I guess. But the stairs are great. Oh my god. Where am I? Wait, where am I? How do I get out of here? Is this someone's house? I don't know how to get out of here. I don't even know where I am. I feel like I'm on private property. I think I just need to climb the fence. I found an out. I don't know where I am. I have no idea where I am. But I made it out.